Hello everyone, how's it going out there? Firstly, I'd like to apologise. I've not been putting up videos as regular as I should be. I've got a full-time job and I've also got some other things. I'm in a bit of a build on weekends at the moment, so I'm kind of struggling to find time. Hopefully that'll change in about 3 or 4 weeks time, and I can upload far more regularly. Talking about being in the middle of a build, I'm in the middle of something. It's lunchtime and it was a good excuse to get this out. It's one of those generic camping rack things that you see. They're all over Amazon. There's an American company that makes these as well, which is probably far better quality. But I bought these from Amazon, obviously made in China. These were actually sent from China, and for these two, with the pouch that it comes with, I think it was about £8.50. Now, how you can actually make something in China, transport it all the way across the world and sell it for like £8.50, I've got absolutely no idea. It's absolutely mental. So I'll give you a couple of specs on these. The small one, edge to edge, which is upside down. Let's do it the proper way around. There you go. 13 centimeters square. And the other one is 13 centimeters by, this is taken from the biggest end, shall we say lengthways, that makes far more sense, 26 centimeters. They're not very big, but that could be a bit of fun. Build quality, can't fault the build quality, absolutely fine. They're supposed to be stainless steel, so that remains to be seen. I don't know if this is a chrome coating or actually stainless steel. This one is they've obviously, the build quality is not quite as good. You might be able to see that it's a little bit warped. Hang on, there we go. Not sure if you can see that there. You can just about get that in. That's not totally flush. There's about 3mm underneath there, but for the money, you know, it is what it is. I think what it's got is a large solder in there. If I bring you in too close, you won't be able to get to it. But just there, you see the solder's quite, or the weld is quite wide. So, like I say, I'm going to set fire to it anyway, so you know, it's not a big deal. Right, so why would I want one of these? Well, I thought it'd be a nice idea to just put it on a fire, whack a steak on top. We could do barbecue vegetables. That'd be nice, a bit of pepper or a bit of halloumi or something, and you get those nice little lines in the back. That's kind of the idea for that. As it's lunchtime, I thought I was going to try it out. So my plan is to keep it simple. I got a tray, couple of bricks, and I got that tray to go on top. The little one, I was hoping that would fit in my big billy can, and I can use that as a trivet inside, and use a billy can as an oven. So I'll probably do a video on that at some other point and see if I can get it to work. That was something I've never tried with the billy can. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just a second. This is what I'm talking about, 16-inch billy can. Turn that into an oven, and then use that boy, 13 centimeters as a trivet inside. Lock him up and then put him perhaps on a firebox or maybe straight on some coals and see what happens. By the way, these pot clips, you can't buy them separately for love nor money anywhere. I've got a video on how to make these if you're interested. I'll put a little link in the description, and they are actually really easy to make, and they look more complicated than what they actually are. Right, let's get rid of that. So there we are, that's the idea. Put some barbecue charcoal in there, set fire to it outside, obviously a bit stupid to do it in here, and then so we have some steak for lunch. The thing I'm not looking forward to is this. Looks like it would be an absolute bugger to clean afterwards, but you know, we'll see how that one goes at a time. Right, let's take it out and set fire to it. Oh, before I do, I'm using this today to light my barbecue charcoal. This again is another video I had, to be honest. This is jute twine with some matches and some candle wax, and it actually makes great fire starter, dead cheap, and I'm hoping it's got enough oomph to light some charcoal. I might have some lumpwood charcoal and some briquettes lying about. So right, that's enough for now. Let's take it outside. It's lunchtime. I want my lunch because I'm hungry. While it's doing its thing, let's get the kettle on. Water's hot enough. That'll do. It's time to sort of steak out. Keep this nice and simple. A little bit of piment on. Bit of oil. Going for a bit of green tea and ginger today. And this little infuser. You don't need much of this stuff. Mash it up a bit, release the juices. That in. Handles are fine. Let's get that bad boy on. in your own time. Make sure that you stick the feet in properly. Even if you've got to scrape the stone out, so I don't want you falling off of that. You need to push the feet in. Alright. Time to turn him over. Oh, look at that. Slowly barbecued steak. Oh, tea's good as well. Those cogs right under. By the way, top tip, if you've just been shoving that in the coals, don't touch it with your hand, it's really hot. I shouldn't be allowed out on my own really. I'm not. To that we're going to add a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Something quite amazing about just a bit of meat being barbecued. There we are. Some on the other side. Time for some lunch. Look at that bad boy. The grill is pretty much as I expected, a bit of a mess. I'll put that in soak at some point and hopefully I'll clean up. Let's leave that to rest for a minute or two and we come back. Here we go then, moment of truth. Bad boy. Oh. A little bit bloody in the middle, but not overdone. So there you have it, simple done steak. That is amazing. That and a bit of green tea and ginger. Absolutely fabulous for lunch. What situations would I use this grill in? To be honest, I'm not really sure at the moment. I got it as a bit of a curiosity. I can see if you want an impromptu barbecue, that'll work really well. Just pop it between two stones. That's it for now, everybody. If you quite enjoyed this nonsense and you want to see more on what I do next, as I say, I will be making lots more videos. Then click the like, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me about your experience with this type of grill. Oh, and don't forget, subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time. Oh. Oh, sweet chili sauce is amazing. Mixing with all those juices.